should I go to Sunny Beach or should I go to Sozopol? This is a forever special place. Cement flavored ice cream. Give me a countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Who made this burger? I don't even know if you can hear me because the music is so loud. Sunny Beach, there's always something going on here. People are literally still in the water. But it's this thing called Dragon's Breath. Oh! That's it. Pass me the damn cornflakes.
Wait, what?
Good morning, everybody. We are here in Sozopol, Bulgaria, and I actually wanted to make this video because I always get the question from people when they want to come to the seaside of Bulgaria and they don't want to go to Varna or Burgas. They always ask me, should I go to Sunny Beach or should I go to Sozopol? So what we're gonna do here today is we're pretty much gonna do a little episode in both. We're gonna do a little day in Sozopol, we're gonna do a day in Sunny Beach, and then we'll compare the two and see which one's better. Just to preface, they're both amazing, but we'll go over some of the two and then we'll see which one we like best. But yeah, let's start with Sozopol. All right, guys, we have now made it straight to the beach here. It is a little bit later in the day, actually. You know, we spent a long time at a restaurant earlier, but it's never too late for the beach. You know how it goes. Let's see what's going on. Oh, the water is actually prime. There's only one way to go in here. Give me a countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Oh shit, oh shit. Water is absolutely insane, actually. It's hotter than I thought it would be, but okay, we're gonna put this camera away. We're gonna swim. Woo, man, the water's nice. We're gonna put the camera away, we're gonna swim, and I will see you guys after. Right now, I'm going back in. All right, guys, we are wrapping up the beach day. I'm not gonna lie, the water was absolutely insane. Whenever we put the camera down, we went absolutely crazy. And the water was so clean, so warm. Man, what a good time. The sun is starting to set, so I think what we're gonna do is we're probably just gonna get something to eat, and then we're probably gonna explore some of the old town, see what's going on. I really have no idea, but I will see you guys when we get out into the town. I gotta go change. All right, it is now later in the evening. We are here at Harmony's Bar and Dinner. I'm really waiting to get into the salad. Man, I'm hungry. But yeah, this spot is really nice too. Nice little view of the water as well. Beautiful little restaurant. And there's a bunch of these too. You can pick pretty much up and down the whole street. There's infinite options of restaurants, so you really can't go wrong. Anyways, let me jump into this. Oh yeah. We got the chicken parmigiano here. Parmigiano, whatever you want to call it. With the labalabligini, you know, I don't know, whatever it's called here. Guys, have I turned into a food YouTuber? No, I haven't. We just happen to be eating a lot. Anyways, with that being said, here we go. First bite. It hits. Okay, guys, I'm gonna enjoy this dinner, and who knows, maybe we'll go get dessert after. I will see you guys once we're finished. Who made this burger? All right, guys, we have now finished up eating, and we have ended up getting some dessert here as well. And no better dessert than a nice polachinka. Now, of course, you know me, I'm a white chocolate kind of guy. Come, let's have a sit, let's have a sit. We are now here in this center mixed kind of area. As you can see, the nice lighting, everyone here is around me. And I'm gonna go in for the first bite here. I'm a huge fan of these, here we go. Man, these never get old. I feel like I could eat this every day. My whole diet here has been non-existent. I'm on vacation. All right, guys, we are now here at the actual center here in Sozopol. This is the center of Old Town, and typical kind of spot, right? You got all the people walking around here. You got a bunch of shops over here, and then up the street, you got more restaurants, and we're really close to the water too. So it's kind of nice. Like this town kind of has that little charm of the water, similar to Slinchebek as well, like Sunny Beach. But this spot is really nice as well. Oh my God, look at all these lights, right? Like usual, packed. Even though this is like a random weekday evening, but it's what you expect, you know, summertime, people are out here to enjoy, right? That's what happens with a lot of these tourist towns, but yeah, I love it. It's amazing. Whoa. Woo! What I have here is cement flavored ice cream. What does that mean? I really don't know, but we are about to find out. Here we go. Hear me out. Why is this kind of good though? It actually has the texture of what you would imagine cement would have. Like, first of all, look at this. When you bite it, it almost feels like I'm eating sand. In a good way. Yeah, I don't know. But it's actually kind of good. Try this, right?
It's like vanilla ice cream.
You know what? You're actually not wrong. It does kind of have like a little bit of a vanilla.
Just because like I already have the taste of like mine. I've salted caramel. It's actually
it's vanilla with pulp. I have no idea. And we also got this tiramisu as well. We're gonna try this. This was recommended to us by a friend. I think after this though, no more snacks. Unless I see something good, but no more snacks. And just like that, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. As you see, Sozopol is amazing. There's a lot to see, a lot to do. I wish I could have filmed it all, but at least I hope you guys got to see a glimpse of what it's like. Now, we are gonna be comparing it to Sunny Beach, so we'll be there in a few days, and then we'll kind of get a video of that. It'll be in the same video here. Other than that though, Sozopol, amazing place. I love it. Alrighty everybody, welcome. We are here in Sunny Beach, and last time you guys saw me, we were actually in Sozopol, but here, today we're gonna be in Sunny Beach, but ironically enough, it's actually not that sunny here today. Regardless, we're still gonna compare the two. Now, unfortunately, I don't have as much time here today for me to compare the two like I really want to, because I think in my mind, this city actually comes alive at night, but I won't be here at night. But with the limited time that we do have, we're still gonna try and kind of explore together and see what we can get up to. But yeah, welcome to Sunny Beach. Now, the way that Sunny Beach actually works is it's pretty much two main streets. You have the street that I'm currently walking on right now, and then it has the whole strip by the water. Now, of course, there's a bunch of clubs too within the city, on the beach as well. They're pretty much kind of all over the place. There is really a lot going on here. I think in my mind, way more than what's going on in Sozopol. But again, like I said, I don't think you can actually compare the two because they're kind of their own separate things. But I'm sure we'll be able to see something together here. So yeah, let's have a look. All right, and now that we walked the up street, we're now here at the bottom street, which is pretty much kind of adjacent to the water. And this street is absolutely packed. Even though it's out of season right now and it's not that sunny, it's still loaded with a lot of people here. And you got all kinds of shops, you got all kinds of restaurants, games, hotels, the beach, and this is actually one of my favorite spots to smoke shisha. But unfortunately, due to the time constraint today, we're not gonna be doing that. But still, this street is absolutely amazing. Now, One thing that can be a little bit overwhelming here in Sunny Beach that you don't get in Sozopol is all these shops. Like I said, they're just so scrunched up together, and a lot of them, they do offer kind of the same product. So as you're walking, it kind of can get a little overwhelming. You come here, you get a whole different experience. For some people, that might deter them. Now, what we have here behind me is a very, very special place. Why? Because I think it was 3 or 4 years ago here, all of us, when I say all of us, all of my Bulgarian friends, we pretty much came here at this hotel, and it was absolutely insane. I had one of the best rooms. I think it was actually on like one of the corners over there, and it was probably the best sunrise that I ever seen. I'll put it up on the screen if I have that. But yeah, this hotel here, we got a lot of memories, a lot of good times, and every time I come to Sunny Beach, it reminds me of that one summer. So this is a forever special place. And if you're watching this and you were here, you know what I'm talking about. Insane spot, insane spot. All right, now we're here at one of the many amusement parks, or Luna parks as they call them here. And there's so many here actually. This is, I think, one of the biggest ones, but if you go down the strip, there's like 3 or 4 here. Now I've never personally been on any of these rides, but at night it goes crazy here. Like this one right here that you see on the side is insane. It's one of those ones that just basically oscillates and spins. Yeah, it's pretty cool, like right by the beach too, like super vibey spot. But like I said, unfortunately, I wish I could show you guys at night. Ciao, ciao. Okay, one thing I've always actually wanted to try here, and to be honest, it is a little bit of a scam. It's a little bit of a ripoff, but it's this thing called Dragon's Breath. Now, it's basically like these kind of like cornflakes. It's these like, I don't even know how you describe these, but here we go. Hold on, let me jump in on some of these. Wait, hold on. Wait, these are actually kind of delicious though. You gotta try these, here.
Oh, this is absolutely frosty.
Yeah, no, it's freezing.
Look at the cup.
It's freezing, try it.
It's like going like...
Wait, but...
I'm getting like overwhelmed. It's actually really good though.
Yeah, I like
Except
it.
for the fact that my teeth are frozen.
Oh! Oh my god, Vape Nation, right? That's it. Pass me the damn cornflakes.
Wait, what?
All right, guys, we are gonna be wrapping it up here. Again, I'm so sorry. I wish I had more time to show you everything, but I hope you guys kind of enjoyed the little day that we had. So that's pretty much the two. You have Sozopol, you have Slunchebrek, or Sunny Beach as they call it. And like I said, you can't compare the two, but these are both amazing places that you gotta come check out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, I appreciate you guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next one.